Getting all ready for the big snowstorm tonight. Got all the wood I need in the house. And I'm headed outside. Got plenty of wood on the porch for a couple days in case things get bad. But here's what we got going on outside. The blizzard is just starting. Hopefully it is a blizzard, because I hate when they hype it up and it isn't a blizzard. Anyway, you can see right now, maybe, at my feet. No, you can't really see, but there's only about a 1/4 inch so far. But it is starting to come down quite well. You can see it's blowing too if you look over at the shed. I've got the garage door open here because I am going to cook up a couple of steaks. The grill's warming up. Got a couple of chuck eyes here getting ready to be grilled, and I'll have a tasty drink while I'm doing it. Hopefully this is just the before, and I'll show you the after tomorrow morning.